开了，开了，去哪？隔壁那个。Hello everyone, we are back. Welcome to another session of
E-Tinker Weekend.
It's me again, Mei Xuan.
And me, Annabelle. So last week we did the green bean maze, and it was very fun building it and also playing it.
Yes. So last week we did mention that we will be using one of the material last week for today's activity.
Yes, I also remember that. So today's material that we are going to use from last week was green bean.
Yay!
Because we still have so many. Okay.
So we will be using this. And what are the activity that we are going to do today?
It is going to be growing green bean plants.
Yes, so we will use the green bean we have last week to grow a bean plant today. Okay.
So I think we did this during primary or
yes, primary school.
We did this. Okay. So anyway, today's experiment is the same as the usual one. So we will be doing this experiment together with you. So remember to prepare all the material together with you.
Yes, so if you have any question, feel free to drop us a message in the comment section below, okay?
Yes.
And we will answer you. So now let's see what are the simple materials we need for today's activity.
Yes, so the first thing is a container.
Small
container. You can have a big one. So big one you can put more green beans.
Yep.
And then you will need cotton.
Yes.
And then green beans.
The most important one.
And some water.
Yeah.
And some pen for you to write on the notebook.
Yes.
So these are our handmade notebooks.
Yes. So later just for this activity. So later we will teach you how to draw the internal part. Okay.
Yes.
The first page you can draw.
Design
the color.
it yourself. Yes. If you are going to make one DIY notebook. So if you are using an existing one, it's okay.
Yes.
So all you need is just jotting down the observation.
Yeah.
So let's move on.
Yes. So first, let's move all the things aside. Left with your cotton and also the small containers. Okay. So we have two here. One is for you and one for me. Okay. So the first step, take some of the cotton. I think okay, yes.
Do we still have?
Yeah, no worries.
It looks like it's finishing.
So you take like a small amount of cotton.
So you have the cotton is something like the green bean cushion, their sofa. So you need to make it comfortable
for it to grow. Okay, so you do something like this and put it to the base.
It's like a cotton candy.
I think it's too much. Yeah, it's okay. So you try to fill up the bottom of your small container like this.
So don't put this away first. So when you are going to put the water into the container, the size of this cotton will shrink down and you might need actually more cotton. So yeah, just a simple note for you.
Yes. So you can make something like this. So I use the cotton to cover up the whole base of our container. So that's like this.
It looks like cotton candy.
Yes. Yeah, you can press. Okay. Yeah.
Ooh, my one's got some space. Wait, let me add some more.
Here.
Okay, enough. Okay, so we shall put this aside first.
Yeah.
Then we need the water, then we bring it back.
Yes. So now take your green bean. Yeah, this is our big packet of green bean. So I'll open it up.
So we will sprinkle the green beans onto the cushion, the cotton cushion. Then only, so the amount of the green bean you're going to sprinkle is depends on how big is your container. So
Now, put
don't
yourself-
clump it together because
Later it don't have space to actually grow.
yeah, and then they fight with each other.
Ding, ding, ding. You can put. I'll put like 10, I think.
Oh, I put 5.
Is it?
And my 6.
You can put more so that the rate of germination. Oh, how should I say it? More successful example. You
For
will
you
get.
to see.
Yes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8,
19.
and 10.
It's like my seeds. These seeds are all stuck. Well, it really looks like, like the green beans are standing on cloud.
Yeah, it's so cute. So let me show you.
So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6,
Can
7.
you
I
all
have
see?
7.
So you need to make space for each of the green beans
Ah!
so that they can have space to grow.
Oh,
Oh my gosh. I'm
My
out
one-
of the screen. Okay, I'm back. Yes, so when you finish using the green bean, you can put it aside.
my one is being cut under the clouds of cotton.
Yes. Try to put it on top of the cotton. If it's like drop inside, it's okay lah. It will still grow, I suppose.
Well,
Yeah.
let me take them out. They are. Ah,
Oh.
I think my cotton is not that.
Thick enough. Compact.
Wait, let me redo.
Close it.
Cotton is not as compact as mentioned. So. Yeah. Okay lah, can lah. 1, 2, 3. Hui. Yeah, simply lah. Okay, so we're done.
Yay.
So the next step
The
is
next
going
step.
to be
Adding
water.
water. So water. Yeah. So when you are growing your bean plant, water is very important. However, you cannot put too much like it's like a
flooded.
flooded. Cannot be flooded. It needs to be
Just
nice. Yes. So make sure it's moisture, but don't have water excess water. So how do we do that? We can just
If you
get-
have the the water sprayer,
yeah.
the bottle spray, then you can use that and spray until
it will
it's
be easier.
moist. Yeah. So I think every morning when you are going through the process of growing it, you can spray it. Maybe like it depends on how well is your spray water. So we're going to try to moist the cotton so until all are wet. But not too much water. Like
I think this is just
overflowing
good.
it.
Yeah, so like this is just nice. So you can see it's all now come together, the cotton.
Whoa, it's like
Yay! Oh, it's so cute. Oh, one green bean actually come
you
out.
can see like the cotton from so puffy become no volume.
Yes.
Oh my god, am I putting too much? Okay, so I think you can use your hand to push it down. Oh, I think it's too much, but never mind. So when your cotton is like flat, it's much easier to adjust your position of your green beans. So mine is like this. Ugh,
Yes.
it looks like a flower.
Yeah. So this is mine one. Woohoo! So actually, we are done. Yes.
So all you need now is time for it to grow,
Yeah.
and you will place this at around 16 degree Celsius to 27 degrees Celsius.
Yeah. So the germination actually takes 2 to 3 days.
Mine
So
is too much water.
you pour it back. Okay. Yes. So it will be. You can put it not under the sun yet. You can put it inside your house first for it to start germinate. After it's starting to germinate out, then only you can bring it out
To the sunlight.
To the sunlight. Yes. So let's show them what we have.
So last Saturday we planted this after the green bean maze. So you
Yes.
see it's very big now.
Yeah. It's
And some of them are still in the process of
germination.
One
sprouting.
of it is sprouting. It's so small. So you can see some.
Can see? Yes.
So some are still sprouting. Some are like, what do you call this? Seedlings.
Yes.
So this
It's
is in a
seedling state.
Then this is like a not full grown, it's just a plant.
Yes. Okay.
So now we shall get our notebooks.
Yeah.
So our notebooks, green bean plant notebook.
Yes. This is mine.
Oh, is it?
This is mine. Yes. So how are you going to jot down everyday observation is? Yeah, cannot see. It's okay. I'll show you how.
So we will be drawing this plant growth observation. So you can see there are boxes. So I guess one day draw once.
Yes. You
So-
can observe daily
So
and
you can draw
cannot see.
draw the boxes in your book. So it depends on how you want it to be done.
Actually can
So I draw 4 boxes for
4 days.
in one page. 4 boxes in one page. So tomorrow I will draw one. Or today you can draw already. Start drawing your process. Then tomorrow you can draw. Maybe if you have printer at home, you can take a picture and print it and stick it on it.
Yes.
Yeah. So it's up to your imagination on how you want to
Do it.
Yeah. Creativity, imagination, creativity.
Day 1. So you can put the day 1, day 2, day 3, day 4, and after that every day you go and see your little plant and you draw out what it looks like, how it looks like every day. You need pen?
Yes.
Yes. So you can collect all the information inside this tiny book, tiny notebook, and it will become your first ever planting notebook. Yeah. Let me open up. Yes. So for those who wanted to do it, you can draw it now or you can take a picture of it too.
Yes. So it's basically just like boxes, or you can say space for you to draw the process of your plant, of your green bean plant. So it's up to you. If you want to have, maybe your notebook is very
big,
big,
small.
a lot of pages, you can draw
One
one page one day. Also
Yes.
can.
You can also leave some blank space to actually write down. You can measure the height of your plant every day.
Yes.
Yes, correct. Okay.
So let's explain about the cycle of the plant. Da-da-da.
Yes. So green beans are usually used to grow bean sprout, which is the first stage of the plant after germination. So you can see first is the seed. The seed for us is actually the green bean. And then after that, it will go into the germination state. And as the bean plant grow longer, it will develop leaves, stem, roots, and even flower and fruit. Yes.
So as shown in the slide, so the seeds, which are the green bean, is the unit of reproduction of a flowering plant which is capable to develop into a plant.
A real plant.
Yes. And then germination, which is this second one, is the development of a plant from a seed. So it's like the second step or the first step from the seed itself. Okay, so and then seedlings is the young plant that is raised from the seed. So it's like later we will show you from the one that we actually planted.
Yeah. So for the fourth one, you can see the third one or the fourth one, you can see the root is actually starting to grow out. The roots is actually the plant, the parts of the plant which attach to the ground, and it is used to actually support the plant. And the stem is the main body or stalk of a plant. And leaf, everyone know what is leaf. Leaf is the flattened structure of a higher plant that is attached to the stem. And the last one is fruit. Fruit actually takes some time to develop, and fruits is sometimes the fruit we can eat it, and some kind of fruits we cannot eat it. And the fruit inside the fruits, it contains seeds. So the seeds come out will become the reproduction parts of the plant again.
And it goes again, the cycle go back to the seed, germination, seedling, root, stem, leaf, plant, fruit.
Yeah, correct.
So for germination, it usually happens at the temperature, in the temperature of 16 degrees Celsius to 20 degrees Celsius, and the condition is moist, and also it will sprout between 2 to 3 days.
Yes, this is for a general bean plant. So actually, you don't have to use green bean. You can use other beans as well.
Red bean, black bean, barley. I don't know barley is kind, but maybe you can try and let us know.
Yes, because we try to see online. Most of them are using very, very different beans, and they can see all the results too.
Yes.
Yeah.
So,
and
you can also try out these few things is you can grow these seedlings. Maybe you can do two Tupperware. One is growing it under the sun, and one is growing in the darkness.
Yes, so you can see how is it different, and this experiment actually can tell you does growing a plant needs sunlight
is it
not?
Like what do you call that? I don't know.
It's a source of food for it's a source of food for the plant as well.
Photosynthesis.
Yes, correct.
So you will learn this, I think, in
soon. Yeah.
So you can use back your notebook that you use for this green bean plant and jot down what did you observe during these two plants different conditions growing, and then you can write them down and see the process of it. You can document down.
Yes. So just now we say that we will show you what are the different parts by using our existing example, right? So the seed is, we don't have seed anymore.
The seed is here.
Yeah, all germinates already. Whereas the seedling, you can see the seedling is
So
small one.
you can see the shape of the seed open half, and
Yeah.
then it seems that it grows taller and taller, and there's a leaf coming out.
Yes.
So it's like the one that we are drawing here.
Yeah, it's a germinated seedling. Yes, and then after that you can see it's actually growing bigger and bigger. So these are the one that actually grow taller, and this is the stem, this is the leaf.
I wonder why all just face that side. Is it because the sunlight is that side? Accident.
Yeah, sorry. So maybe I don't know how we put it, but we just put it outside.
So you can actually see the roots are actually cling to the cotton.
Oh, can
So
you all
I
see
think
it?
by this time it should actually be transferred to soil.
Yes.
But it might actually die if we didn't transfer.
Yes. So if you want to make it growing until
A green bean.
Yeah, fruits and flower, you can transfer all the bigger plant here into the soil. So it will continue to grow, and
Yes.
let's see if it's successful or not. So later we will do the experiment too. Yay! We will transfer it to the soil, and we will let you know. We will take picture and put it under the comment box to show you what's actually happened.
Comment box. Are you sure comment box we can put picture?
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah.
So I think we will also take picture of our plant.
And also our notebook.
No, this is not plant.
This is seed.
We will take picture of this process and post it every day in Facebook or at the comment section. Yeah.
So if you are doing it too, you can show us, like, if you don't want to do it you don't want to post it daily. When it grow into a small plant, a seedling, you can also show your successful experiment with us.
Yes.
Okay. Yay!
So that's all for our experiment today. It's a very, very short one, but
it takes a long
time to actually see the results.
Yes.
So I hope you guys actually have fun planting this and also making your own observation book and record it down tomorrow after and so on. So you may also use the ruler. Yeah, like Mishan say, you can use the ruler. Okay, we don't have ruler, so it's like
measure the height.
Oh, it's
of your
almost
plant.
a pen. So we will be seeing you next week.
Yes. So that's all for today's activity. So see you all next week. Bye.